The Polish armed forces began to be equipped with Bayraktar TB2 drones made by Baykar Technologies, Turkey. The first batch of Bayraktar TB2 was handed over by the Minister of Defense and Deputy Prime Minister of Poland Marius Blaszczak to the country's 12th Unmanned Aerial Vehicle Base. This is the first delivery of the Bayraktar TB2 of 24 units, 4 sets, that Poland purchased in May 2021. Blaszczak said drones have become a necessity for modern armed forces. There is no modern army without modern drones, he said. The Polish Ministry of Defense reported that the first shipment of Bayraktar TB2 had arrived in Poland this week. Previously, Bayraktar TB2 operator and technician training was completed in Turkey. In the future, Poland will still buy drones for its armed forces. This is in line with the modernization of the country's weapon system. Poland this year bought a variety of weapon systems in large numbers. Starting from tanks, multi-barreled rocket launcher systems, to fighter jets. For example, Warsaw bought almost 1,000 units of K2 main battle tanks and 48 Fa-50 fighter jets from South Korea.